Really quick, we wanted to show this flag setup. We're training horses to do cutting. You can see the flag moving back and forth on the fence there, and Lexa is riding the horse back and forth following the flag. This helps the horses learn to cut properly and get the calf to go where they want it. Here's the impact that's actually running the whole operation. We took it apart and soldered some wires directly to it. It's technically an 18 volt, but works on 12 volt. Here we are testing it with the remote and with the pulley to get an idea of what size we needed. So this is the Badland winch that we thought would work good for the rope thing, but the output from that is way too slow, the actual motor for the winch. And once you pull that out, it's like sun gears and stuff, and then the output from the electric motor is just way too fast. And we just couldn't figure out a good way to attach anything to that and gear it down. So what we ended up doing was taking all of the circuitry from the winch, which has the remote and that little relay box and the wiring, and that's what we ended up hooking up to the drill. It also does have a manual switch, but you don't want to have to operate this while you're on the horse or have someone sit there and operate it. So anyway, that's the one that we used just from Harbor Freight. Here's some of our preliminary testing. We were trying to figure out what size pulley we needed for sure. And we were just 3D printing the pulleys and trying to get the correct size. Yep. The remote for controlling it is a little bit large. They were able to put a strap on the back with just some Velcro, so it's not too terrible to operate while holding the reins. The buttons to be correct, left, right, as facing the flag.
Oh. Go get it!
Oh, the knot.
Oh, really?
See, this knot kicks it off. The paracord that we used was too short, so we had a couple knots that were a little close to the end pulleys, but that's all going to be upgraded with longer rope, which will prevent it from jumping off in the future. So here's how Landon got it set up here. Just a lead acid battery. We've got two different 3D printed quick change adapters. This one's the fast one. This one is the slower one. And we just designed these with Tinkercad, which is just like a CAD, online CAD that you can design your own pulleys. So we just put in here a hex to take a 9/16 bolt with a 3/8 shaft, and then printed them and got them mounted up. Underneath this shroud is the actual control box from the winch, and then further up in there is the impact that we removed the directional switch up in there and just soldered these wires in directly. So yeah, and evidently it works quite well. I'll put some video of it in action, and we might rig up a rope on it again here tomorrow. But the rope that we were using was too short, so the knots would come on the end and jump the rope off of the pulley. So that's why there's currently no rope on it. But this goes all the way down to that end, and then they use it for training the horses to chase that flag. It teaches them to properly maneuver back and forth, keeping a calf in the group or cutting the calves out of the group. They understand that part better than I do. But anyway, I just thought that this part was neat and that you guys would enjoy it. So hope that you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you later.